Hi, I'm Christy Rost. With today's higher food costs, side dishes that are easy, quick, and economical can be a real lifesaver for family budgets. Today I'm revisiting one of my favorites, rice pilaf. I've preheated a large saucepan over medium heat. Now I add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I have a half cup of fideo pasta. Fideo is super thin little pieces, about 1 inch long. And I add this to the saucepan and stir. I'm going to cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes until the fideo gets lightly brown. Now that the fideo is nice and brown, I'm going to stir in 1/3 cup each of onions, carrots, and golden raisins. And the onion and carrot is all very finely chopped. And I saute this for a minute or two until the vegetables begin to soften. Then I stir in 1 cup of long grain rice. And I'm going to also saute this for about a minute. Then I add in 2½ cups of chicken or vegetarian stock or broth. Now here are a couple of money-saving tips. The fideo. You can also use angel hair pasta. Use about 14 strands of angel hair pasta and just break them into 1-inch lengths. And the other is you can use half chicken or veggie stock and half water. And that will cut your costs on how much chicken stock you have to purchase. So I've added a little salt and pepper. I'm now going to up my heat to high, bring this to a boil. Then I'm going to reduce the heat to low, cover it, and let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes until all the liquid is absorbed. The liquid has been absorbed, and so now I'm just going to add in some freshly chopped parsley. Oh, and don't use a spoon for this. Use a fork because we're going to fluff the rice. So I'm just going to take just a moment and do that, and then I can transfer it to the serving dish because it's ready. This dish features the toasty flavor of the fideo pasta, the comfort of the rice, and it's absolutely beautiful and quick and easy. Then I'm just going to use a few sprigs of fresh parsley to garnish the top. And this dish is ready. Rice pilaf. This rice pilaf side dish is quick, easy, and so flavorful. It's been a favorite in our home for years. I hope you enjoy it too. Take care. Make some joy.